Wake up. I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. Stretch. I stretch my body after waking up. Get up. Then I get up from my bed. Put on. I put on my shoes. Take out the garbage. I take out the garbage every evening. Water the plant. I water the plants in the garden regularly. Feed the dog. I feed the dog in the morning and evening. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth before breakfast. Wash. I wash my face with cold water. Clip nails. I clip my nails regularly. Do the laundry. I do the laundry on Sundays. Do the dishes. I do the dishes in the morning. Take a shower. I take a shower before heading to work. Get dressed. I get dressed nicely before going out. Have breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast to start my day. Sip. Sip means to drink slowly. I sip my coffee to feel refreshed. Comb hair. I comb my hair before leaving my home. Drive. I drive to work during weekdays. Commute. Commute means to travel between your home and place of work. I commute by bus when I don't drive. Take a taxi. Sometimes I take a taxi to work. Work. I work at the office from 10 to 6. Type. I type reports on my laptop. Answer. I answer emails and phone calls throughout the day. Meet. I meet different people at my workplace. Take a break. I take short breaks to relax during the day. Take a nap. I take a nap in the afternoon sometimes. Surf the internet. I surf the internet in my free time. Discuss. I discuss project ideas with my team. Plan. I plan my tasks for the day in the morning. Organize. I organize files before leaving the office. Exercise. I exercise at the gym after work. Relax. I relax with a book before bed. Go to bed. I go to bed around 10 p.m. every night. Read. I read newspaper every morning. Listen. I listen to music while walking. Watch. I watch TV before going to sleep. Make the bed. I make the bed every evening. Fall asleep. I fall asleep shortly after reading. Clean. I clean the house on weekends. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Have snack. I have snacks in the afternoon. Have dinner. I have dinner with my family. Shop. I shop for groceries every Sunday. Pay. I pay bills online every month. Call. I call my parents every day. Walk. I walk my dog in the evening. Jog. I jog in the park on weekdays. Stretch. I stretch before and after exercise. Meditate. I meditate to relax my mind. Write. I write diary every night. Create. I love to create art in my free time. Check. I check my emails for any new updates. Edit. I learned how to edit videos online. Post. I rarely post my pictures on social media. Hang out. I love to hang out with my friends. Travel. It's my dream to travel the world. Explore. I want to explore the jungle on a safari. Learn. I love to learn different languages. Teach. I teach English in a school.